you have receding gums, you have teeth problems, gum problems, I don't care what it is, the herbs can help you. That's a fact. And just don't believe me, test it, okay? So you want to know how I use it? Well, I make either an oil that contains the three herbs I mentioned, the bloodroot, the echinacea, and the comfrey. Or I'll make it like a tea, a decoction, and I'll put it in a glass like this, and I'll take it to work, or I'll take it wherever I am. Now, when I'm ready, I'll just take about 2 teaspoons of this and put it in my mouth, and I'll swish it, oil pulling, whilst I'm at work, okay, if I need it. This will keep the mouth nice and healthy because bloodroot prevents tartar, okay? Fantastic plant. Echinacea, it helps stimulate an immune response in your mouth, so it can heal it. And comfrey is a bone knitter. It helps regenerate tissue, bones. So when you combine this and you do it on a regular basis, you're preventing any cavities or any buildup of bacteria, but you're also applying all the benefits I just mentioned to the gums and teeth.